right, so ID has been set up. You can see on the screen we have on the left side we have the variant controlling option over here. You can see that our main branch is selected. Then right below that we have the file explorer, and if I go to the bottom that we have a terminal where we can execute dbt commands, and right in the middle we have option to create files. So before we explore a little bit more about these, first thing we would like to do is to initialize dbt project. So what this step uh, performs is it builds the folder structures with the example model that dbt provides. So let's do that, and I'm going to click initialize dbt project over here, and it's going to take it was quick actually, it didn't take much time. And now you can see we have all the folder structure that a dbt project has. um, it's been established, and also you can say that we have our git repo established as well. So what we're going to do is we're gonna commit our initial commit. So I'm going to click on the commit and sync, and I'm going to give it name initial commit, and then I'll hit commit changes. So now what happened is that our project has been initialized and all the changes has been committed to the main branch. And then I'll probably create a new branch before doing anything, and I'll say my first, or like first model, let's say, for now. And so whatever would be doing would be on that branch instead of the actual main branch. So in case something goes sideways, we can just switch back to the main and reclone it.